It's perfect. I promise we didn't drink any of the brandy that's in the cookies. Hi, I'm Christine Avanti. Welcome to my kitchen. It is the holidays, and today I'm going to share with you how I make my grandmother's authentic Italian chocolate cookies. They are to die for. They have all the flavors of the holidays: nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, and Grandma used to throw in a little bit of brandy, and that is the secret ingredients to making these cookies amazing. I love them. They're great. You're going to enjoy them, so check it out. Flour, cocoa powder, allspice, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, coconut oil, butter, brandy. I'll let this go for about a minute until it's well combined, and then I'm just going to add one little bit at a time of the dry ingredients until it all gets nicely combined. All the wet ingredients combined, it's looking good. One of my very bestest friends on the planet, Leilani McKnight. Oh my gosh, look, what are you doing?
I heard we're gonna make cookies.
We are. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. Oh my good. She's got the cutest gingerbread lady with little peppermints. These are the moms to my godchildren, okay? So God bless me and allowed me to be a mother in some form, and that is being the godmother to this woman's little boy and this woman's little girl. God is good. God is faithful. Okay, so we're making Christmas cookies. Listen, I've got the wet ingredients mixed. I've got the dry. We've got to get going because we have to leave in like an hour. So I'm just gonna finish mixing this. Leilani, can you just make sure that this is nice and stirred, and you're gonna get ready with the nuts. Okay, I'm gonna give Calista the nuts. I think we could do, yeah, let's do 2 cups of it, and then we'll put the KitchenAid mixer on and just see how it goes. It's working out nicely. Oh, thank you. I love Christmas. Okay, can I have another cup? Oh, look at this, it's looking so chocolatey. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm getting excited now. That's the fun about baking and cooking, really, is you do it for other people. You do it because you love people and you want to share. All right, so we have the dough, Leilani. We're gonna add the walnuts. What do you think? Should we add the walnuts? I think we're gonna add the walnuts. Sprinkle in while I try to, I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow, I used dark cocoa powder this time. They're beautiful. Yeah, that's nice, right? I like the nuts in this cookie, anyways, but I would love to know what these are called in Italian. All right, I'm just gonna take a clump of it. You wanna take a clump too, and we can each make our own thing. So now, oh, this looks so good. And I can smell the brandy. It smells and feels like Christmas. Isn't that so simple? Look, that's how you do it. Yeah, just make one like that. Yay, Merry Christmas. Isn't it fun? And then all we need to do is roll them into ball and put them on the baking sheet. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Yes. Yeah. We're good. We're doing so good. We're rolling out the dough. We got our gingerbread lady little things on. Okay. I promise we didn't drink any of the brandy that's in the cookies. You just want to pat it and roll it. And when you do this with your friends, you will laugh a lot because cooking with your friends is funny. Okay, my baking sheet is ready to go. Is yours full? Okay, we'll get Leilani's baking sheet with the rest of the cookies, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven. All right, they're going in the oven for 15 minutes at 325. Good luck.
So I like to do 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of soy milk. I'm gonna put a little bit in and mix, and then I'll add a little bit more. You could do this with water, you could do this with regular milk. Wow, they smell great. A little bit of green sprinkles for Christmas.
Go a little bit of chocolate sprinkles.
Here they are, my Italian chocolate cookies. Merry Christmas.
You gotta come over and have one. a little coffee, a little chocolate cookie. Wow, amazing.